of anathema to Democrats at this point.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Nation Boulevard.
Question whether or not lights are on. I think.
Where you can identify that things like catastrophizing, or maybe I'm being too demanding, or maybe I've labeled that person in a way that's unfair. And so once you've kind of established that piece, I think then is the intentional goal of like finding what you can do. That might be, okay, now's not a good time for me to lose it, so I need to take deep breaths, I need to think about something else. Or you might say, well, you know what, am I catastrophizing? If I am, then I need to catch myself here and think about what is the realistic outcome. Is this train going to make me 5 minutes late, or is it going to ruin my whole day? Is there a way I can fix it? And so then you might channel that anger into solving that problem.
So, okay, so Ryan. You okay? Oh my God.
Enhance. Idiot.
Asshole.
That motherfucker is not pulling.
I'm telling you. They got a trash can stuck underneath that motherfucker too.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
Hey, you saw that motherfucker up.
Oh, it's over with. It's over with. Yeah! Mama Ray finna be mad. Boy, look at this shit. Damn! Mama finna be pissed.
This is it, the apocalypse. Radioactive, radioactive.
This sucks too. Traffic is like so fucked up.
Who's beeping?
The car behind me, they want this car to fucking pull out and they can't pull out. Oh, and it was a fucking cop! And it's on my dash cam! What, bitch? Oh, you fucking retard! Oh, yes! Yes, you stupid motherfucker! Oh, I love it! Oh, you stupid dick! Instant karma,
that motherfucker? You stupid motherfucker.